I would like to share a story that aired tonight on my local news station, New York One, about Hurricane Sandy and the help that is still needed. I'm sure as many of you know, at the end of October, Hurricane Sandy slammed the East Coast, with some of the hardest hit areas being New York and New Jersey. This was the largest and most devastating storm that these areas have ever seen. There were many lives, homes, and businesses lost, and some of the biggest problems faced have been damaged transportation systems and roads, flooding, fires, and a gas shortage. As we approach the fourth week after the storm, many lives have returned to normal. However, it is important for everybody to know about the announcement that was aired tonight because many people in New York and New Jersey still need help. Many are still without power, and there is a shortage in supplies of things such as food, water, clothing, appliances, furniture, and cleaning supplies. There is also a need for volunteers to lend helping hands in the cleanup and rebuilding efforts. After viewing this report tonight, I urge everyone to check out sites such as the American Red Cross to see what is still needed and to see what you too can do to lend a helping hand. Thank you.